Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to speed up Telegram downloads. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Telegram and search for file to link in the search bar. Then tap on show more and select the TG file to link board. Once you are there, hit start and join its channel. Next, go back to your video channel and forward the video to that board. That bot will give you a high-speed download link. Now tap the download button and it will open in your browser. It looks like it's playing the video, but don't worry, just tap on three dots and you will see a download button. Tap on that and your fast download will be starting. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.